Hello everyone, welcome to Viral Internet Dose YouTube channel. The way they're loading this truck, it almost doesn't make sense. But here's the real question. How are they going to unload all of this without making a huge mess? Would you trust this loading method? When every second counts, courage can save a life. Would you risk your own safety to rescue a complete stranger? Heroes aren't born, they choose to act. What would you do in that moment? It's not the strength of the body, but the strength of resolve that is a person's true identity. Those who still blame fate today should witness the struggle in action just once. Duzhupyo is an ancient Chinese tradition where people balance and move on a single floating bamboo pole, originally used for river travel and fishing. Some moments leave you completely speechless. Life can change in just a few seconds. Have you ever witnessed something you could never forget? Wild animals are not props. They belong with their families in nature. Is one viral video worth causing stress to a mother and her baby? Respect wildlife, because every action has consequences. Grandma said, "No helicopter, I'm fine." Turns out she was tougher than the hike and richer by $450,000. Would you take the rescue or take your chances like Grandma? A young baseball player trained by practicing swings with a ball tied to a pole. I've never seen a pond cleaned like this before. This machine makes the whole job look incredibly easy. Do you know what this machine is called? Would you like to see it in action every day? These pets love their humans so deeply that saying goodbye isn't an option. Every hug, every paw, and every little moment shows a bond that's impossible to break. Would your pet let you leave the house this easily, or would they chase after you too? What's the cutest thing your pet has ever done to stop you from leaving?